Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing? I can't believe it is that time of year again. It is December 1st and we are starting Indiemas. So if you're newer to my channel, I do Vlogmas, but I call it Indiemas, and I try and post a new video every single day focused specifically on indie makeup. There might be a few things this month that are just focused specifically on small brands, but that's kind of the idea behind my Vlogmas, my Indiemas. I really loved doing it for y'all last year, so I wanted to go ahead and do it for 2021. I did not pre-film anything because I'm the worst, but I'm still going to make it work. So if there are any ideas or videos that you want to see specifically on indie makeup, please feel free to comment them down below because I am still filming. I've got a bunch of great ideas, but I would love your input as always. I tried to go ahead and add a little bit of Christmas decor to the background, of course, in my style, which means pink and pastels and a little Christmas tree candle, which is actually from Mesmeric Scents, which is a small indie candle company. So I'll make sure to link them down below because they have a bunch of scents and they're all so good. So I don't have too much to say in this video. I just wanted to let you know that Indiemas is coming, welcome you to Vlogmas this month, and I wanted to throw in a little giveaway so that one of y'all can try a few different indie products. I'm gonna try and include more giveaways throughout the month. I normally try to just slide them in. I don't announce them or post them in the titles or anything. I just like to throw them in so that people who are generally watching my content will be able to win. So today I just went ahead and threw a few things together. Some of it I got in PR, and then one thing came with something that I purchased. So the most exciting thing is I have the Myricks Mini Lightwork Volume 3 palette here. So if you saw my review on that palette, this is the 4 highlighter shades that's in that palette in full size. So I think that's fun. I've got a few different products from We Makeup. We've got some products from Mented Cosmetics. They've got like a cute little Christmas lip set and eyeshadow palette, and then I'll probably end up throwing a few more things in the package. So if you'd like to win these, I'm gonna have it open internationally. Everyone can enter. All I want you guys to do is comment down below your favorite holiday tradition. It does not have to be Christmas because I know not everyone celebrates Christmas, but just whatever holiday is your favorite. What's your favorite tradition? I would love to hear. I would say my favorite holiday tradition, my heart is telling me to say baking cookies. I had a conversation with my boyfriend recently and we were talking about how we celebrate Christmas, and I was talking about, you know, how excited I am for cookies and how, like, growing up my mom would just make cookies like for weeks on end. Everywhere you went there would just be cookies for Christmas, like cookies and Christmas, like they just go together. And he was just like, I've never had cookies for Christmas, and I didn't even know how to feel. I was like, who are you? Because cookies are Christmas to me. So I think that's the answer I'm gonna go with today. And now I really want to go make some cookies. Actually, I don't want to make cookies. I want to eat cookies. So anyways, I hope you're excited for Indiemas. I hope you're all having a wonderful start to your holiday season. And I'll see you in the next video, which is going to be tomorrow.